It's a great time of the year to actually take advantage of the warmer weather that we've been having to get outside and do some home renovations. We've got some eco-friendly ways to improve your property without harming the planet.
As part of our series, Sustainable Change, small ways you can help the planet and be more green. We're talking with our home improvement expert and host of today's Homeowner, Danny Lipford. He's joined this morning by his daughter and co-host, Chelsea Lipford-Wolf. Thanks, guys, for being with us this morning. We really appreciate it. Chelsea and Danny, you are two in the middle of your next project. What are you working on?
Well, I'll tell you what, this is a project that we're doing for one of our upcoming episodes of today's Homeowner. And actually, we usually work with very active homeowners that really like to get involved. Well, this time it's Chelsea's turn to get her workshop taken care of. And she's using a lot of things she's been hanging on to for a while.
That's right. When we remodeled my kitchen over 8 years ago, I hung on to the kitchen cabinets, and we're hanging them out here to use in my workshop. I painted them pink because I needed a pink workshop. So that was a big way we were able to save money, but also keep the cabinets out of the landfill.
So let's talk about that. Usually with a home improvement project, you have a lot of stuff that goes to the landfill. How do you keep from adding, if you will?
Well, one of the things that we do, and she used to laugh at me about my cereal bowl. A cereal bowl is any kind of bowl that you keep a lot of leftover things. You know, you hang blinds, you install things, you have all kinds of leftover things. And it's amazing how often you need this. Not only does it save you time, but it saves you gas going back and forth from the home center. That's one way, but also paint is a great way to reuse.
Yeah, the walls in here we actually just painted as well. And what we did was use a bunch of leftover random colors of paint. We used all latex paint, so we were able to just mix them together into a bucket, mix them up, add a little water to dilute it, and we used a sprayer to spray the walls, and we like to call it workshop wash, because it's like a whitewash, but for the workshop.
That's what
There's
I'm
also
saying.
a way that, you know, those old T-shirts, we all have a lot of T-shirts to be able to use those for rags, because you use rags all the time. And Chelsea even stops on the side of the road and picks up tables like this, which actually we put casters on it, and this is going to be her roll-around workbench here. But it's a great way to upcycle and save a lot of those things that would end up in the landfill.
Now, we only have about 30 seconds left, but how do you prevent waste when you do buy something new?
Well, first of all, you know, you always hear about, you know, measure twice, cut once. Well, be real precise on your materials when you're ordering and when you're buying those materials, because you never take anything back, and that can be very wasteful there. So that's very important. And also remember Habitat for Humanity Restore. Great place to find some things, but also it's a great place to donate some things that you may have. If you haven't been in that store recently, you need to check it out. It's amazing what they have in there.
So, Danny, we going to see you more on the golf course more these days, or what?
No, Chelsea's taking over.
Chelsea taking over?
I hope so. It's not working out there yet, because here I am working on her place. Gee
Chelsea,
whiz.
thanks for joining us this morning. We
Thanks,
appreciate
guys.
it, guys.